Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I have a new bit of fun that arrived the other day. This is called a blue box. What it does is it locks onto a set of handcuffs and covers the keyways and turns chained handcuffs into rigid handcuffs. So all I'm doing today is going through my chained handcuffs that I think might fit, such as these high 1980s. Sticking them in and seeing if they fit, which high 1980s very much fits. Once you've got to that point, you do get a padlock and stick it through that hole to lock it in place. Should make for some very entertaining escapes. So high at 1980, they'll fit in. Well, these Kyung Chang. I'm assuming that Mrs. D is laughing at Netflix.
Yep, I'm watching Downton Abbey.
Kyung Chang fits.
What's in Downton Abbey? I think a lot of things would fit into Downton Abbey. It's quite big.
I say. Just for a giggle, the Cliuso 12D clearly does not fit. I think they could do with a clean. Chicago X22 fits. High at 1970 fits. I've missed some things from my pile. Smith & Wesson fits. More Cliusos. There's a key in there, it's not going to help. Well, kind of. It doesn't seem useful, but ASP model 100. Too chunky. Does not fit. And there'll just be a second because I forgot something. Okay, back again. Clearly, Chubb IK70s isn't really going to work in here. Yep, too thick. High at 2010. No problems. Peerless 750C. No problems. And they seem to look great, don't they, don't they, Mrs. D?
What?
They look great, don't they?
Do.
Alcyon 5050. Oh. Oh. That just say fits and is probably the best ones because there's no play at all. I'll have to remember that one. That's cool. I didn't actually think they would fit. Oh. What a terrible disappointment.
What's a terrible disappointment? Oh, they're all rusty.
Yeah.
Oh, they're all rusty.
I don't know. They're being kept in the box and everything.
What box?
The box that they came in.
Where were they being kept?
With the rest of the cuffs. Well, yeah, TCH, bit 800B, fits. Well, I don't know what the hell has happened to them. I need to figure out a way of cleaning them up. And Uzi, cheap ones, cheap Uzis.
Uzi.
Fits. Oh, yeah, the blue box works with quite a wide variety of cuffs. Here we go, happy ending. They're looking much nicer again. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Bye. No, you have to do the keys. So you go open, done. Ha! It's open. No. There you go. Open. Now you can leave. You're so not funny.